Here's how you can upload full HD video on TikTok. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can upload full high definition or HD videos on your TikTok. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, you just simply need to go to TikTok and then just go to your video uploading section where you would normally upload videos. And right over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and upload or record a video just like that. And once we do the recording, I'm just gonna go and press next. Right over here, just gotta go ahead and press on the option of more options, and then just make sure that allow high quality uploads is turned on. So what this will do, it will take more time to process, but it will make your video more crisp and high quality. And you just gotta turn the setting on and upload your video, and you're good to go after that. But if you're still having the problem of your video not working, so yeah, and it's not like in full HD, so there are many more options that you can do. The first or the second one we can say is just go to your profile and then press on these three horizontal lines on the corner, and then settings and privacy, and then you gotta look for data saver. So here we are, and make sure the data saver is turned off, because you know this is gonna reduce your data consumption, and this won't apply when you're using Wi-Fi. So you gotta understand what data saver is. It won't change, but like it will do some changes to your video quality, and it will make it high definition. And the third one is just simply go to your settings and then type in camera right over here, and you gotta go to video, and your video settings at least should be at 4K 30 FPS or 4K 60, because if they're not, you're not gonna upload any high quality videos. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can upload full HD videos on TikTok. So I hope this video actually helps you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.